This answer is wrong. But it sounds extremely confident.
And this happens every single day with AI.
And no, this is not a bug. It's actually doing exactly what it was designed to do. AI predicts the next word, one at a time, based on probability, not truth. It doesn't understand facts like humans do. So hallucinations are expected. Constant the trust lens. And this matters a lot in real applications. That's why engineers add guardrails and connect AI to external knowledge. This is what real AI jobs focus on. It's the good thing. AI isn't broken. It's probabilistic. If you want to truly understand AI, not just use tools, follow this channel.